Good morning, students. How are you all? I hope you will be fine. Students, this is the remaining part of A Brave Boy. So open your book, page number 54, and let's start reading. During this time, his mother had been anxiously waiting for him. But when darkness came, she closed and locked the cottage door because she thought that Peter must be staying the night with old Hans. In the morning, when he returned, she would scold him for staying away from home without permission. So, what is the meaning of anxiously? Eagerly. Had been eagerly waiting for him. And she would scold. Scold means to speak angrily. Him for staying away from home without permission. What was happening to poor Peter? The hours passed, and in the darkness of the night, he scarcely knew what to do. What is the meaning of scarcely? Hardly. He hardly knew what to do. He tried to whistle, but his teeth chattered with the cold. Chattered means a person's teeth click repeatedly together from cold or fear. But his teeth were chattered with the cold. He thought of the family at home in their warm beds. I must not let them be drowned. He said to himself, even if I have to stay here all night. The moon and stars looked down on the brave boy crouching against the dike. Crouching means a sitting position where the knees are bent and the upper body is brought forward and down to defend oneself. For example, you can see here in this picture, okay, how the boys sit. Okay, the next one is his head was bent and his eyes were closed, but he was not asleep. Every now and again he would shout for help, but it was all in vain. Early next morning, a postman who was going to his work thought he heard a groan. Groan means a moaning sound. There, by the side of the dike, he saw a boy with his hand thrust. Thrust means a sudden or violent push into a hole. You can see here in the picture how his hand thrust into a hole in the wall. The man shouted to several men who were following behind him, and they ran to the boy's assistance. Help. Assistant mean help. Very tenderly. Tenderly mean gently. They lifted him up and rubbed his arm. Some of the men set to work at once to repair the dike. To repair the dike. Dike, you can see here, this is a picture of dike. Okay, dike is the dam, low wall of stones. You can see the low wall of stones. So others carried the little hero home as he was too weak even to walk. Luckily means fortunately or happily, after a few days in bed, Peter was all right again. The people of the village were very proud of him, and they loved to tell the story of how little Peter saved the village. Okay, students, do practice of all the difficult words and also learn their spellings. Students, there are lot of adverbs in this chapter. Okay, so today you will underline all the adverbs and send me the pics